Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A98 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, misclick. About new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now select Close in Wi-Fi pop-up, and in order to use this app without an internet connection, select this gray switcher at the top right corners. If you don't want to do that, just don't click on the switcher. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to OPPO. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top, and in them choose all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them though, so I have to click on those two and then tap on Send next to selected. Finally, after tapping on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up, you can decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. If you want to, you can also just input this key in Input Key section. And finally, hit Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!